everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back here today with a spring haul of a couple of things that I picked up recently while on vacation. So I'll start off with Saint Laurent. I only have one item that I picked up, and it's a bit wrapped up, but I picked up one of the just very simple tanks. These come in a couple of different colors and designs, but I just got the cream one with the black YSL. I thought that it would be just really easy to wear and very simple, so I figured this could be something nice for both the spring and summer, and I don't have any clothing items from Saint Laurent yet, so I thought that this could be a first addition to my wardrobe. Okay, so next I'll go to Miu Miu, which is the bulk of my purchases from this trip. So first I have a little bag, and in the little bag I have a very small pink box. I am honestly so obsessed with these. Okay, and I picked up this New Season yellow, it's like a butter yellow hair clip. So let me just take it out. I already have a couple of these in a few different colors, and like I have some of the fluffy ones from the winter collections, but I really wanted one that I could wear for spring summer, so this is the one that I chose. Very summery. So yeah, that is the second thing that I picked up. Okay. And then I have this big bag. Okay, why don't I start off with, I'll start off with the clothing. So first up, let's see what is in here. So first item, let me just put this back here. First item is this black polo, and it has this like shirt detail on both the collar as well as the sleeves. So I thought that was very cute and special. And I actually originally wanted the long sleeve version of this shirt, which was a slightly different color. But in the end, that one was just like way too oversized. So the short sleeve one was more normal sizing. So I went ahead and picked this one up. Okay. All right. Second clothing item. So the second item is this brown wool sweater. So this one is long sleeve. Put this here. So might not wear this until the fall, I would say, but definitely very excited about this one. Just very simple, but I've been very into chocolate brown and brown this season, so definitely looking forward to wearing that in the cooler months, although I am enjoying the warm weather, which has finally reached New York and where I am on vacation. All right, so that is the second piece of clothing. Okay, third piece of clothing. So I know what this is based on some things that I've opened already. Okay, so I picked up this white shirt. This is very simple, and it just has the Miu Miu logo right here. and it's like slightly cropped. And it has this unfinished hem. So I do already have this shirt in blue, but I like it so much and I find it so easy to wear that I thought I would also get it in just the classic white. Okay, this here. All right, so the last clothing item I have is here. And I picked up a pair of jeans. So much wrapping. So I already have 2 pairs of Miu Miu jeans and I have really been enjoying wearing them. So I decided to pick up a 3rd pair. So I think it's so cute that on the pocket it has this Miu Miu detail, and these are just like a kind of a faded blue denim wash, just straight leg. So yeah, I think these will be, you know, good for year round and very, very easy to wear. I can just throw on with anything. So yes, very pleased about this find as well. Okay, and then the last item that I picked up, I didn't get like really the full packaging for these just because I do have to pack them away in a suitcase, but you can see they are Miu Miu and New Balance. So I am very happy that I was able to find these because they're pretty much always sold out in the US. So they are in stock in Japan, which is where I purchased them. Ooh, they tied these very tightly. Okay, here we go. So I picked up the brown suede. This is the darker brown, and let me see if I can get the other one open so you can see the full effect. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the way they style them is with the mismatched shoelaces, but you can see they do come with extra pairs, so if you want to make them matching, you can go ahead and do that. So I do already have, I have them down here. I do actually already have these shoes in the white leather, and I found them so comfortable and I've enjoyed wearing them so much that I also decided to get a second color. So yeah, this is my final purchase that I wanted to share today. So I hope that you are having a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye!